Take a ride in the 2018 Ford Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacity. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, traction control, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, bucket seats, power windows, auxiliary audio input, brake assist, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, third passenger door, rear wheel drive, tire pressure monitor. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.